Blma electro-hydraulic CNC press brake. Structural design robust and high-quality materials are used. Ensure the stability and durability of the machine. DA66T high-end CNC press brake with 6+1 axis. Higher parameters and configuration design, more suitable for high-end customer needs. Using multi-die for different thickness. Economic and convenient. Closed-loop control of worktable automatic. Mechanical deflection compensation. The standard configuration is a front pallet that is adjusted according to the step distance, with manual adjustment of the upper and lower heights, and a left and right rotation function. High precision back gauge, subjected to tempering treatment, and utilizing servo control. The CNC axis is driven by an AC servo motor, precision ball screw drive, and linear guide rail guidance. Two gear fingers Z1, Z2 electrically control left and right movement along the double linear guide rail, making it easy to operate and without safety hazards. The main motor is equipped with Siemens motor as standard to reduce maintenance costs, prolongs service life. Using dual proportional valves and hiding-hand grating rulers to control two cylinders, achieving faster speed, higher synchronization accuracy, and a more stable machine operation. Let's check the bending effect together.